Question number 9. A square prism, base side 30 mm, is cut by a section plane such that toe shape is a hexagon, having two opposite sides 25 mm and four remaining sides 40 mm long. Draw the top view, front view, and toe shape of section. Also determine the height of the prism. Now, if we check how this will be oriented. So here, this square prism has to be oriented such that all its vertical faces are equally inclined to VP, but here it is shown in the horizontal position. Just for information only, from here to here it is 25 mm only, and from here to here it is 40, from here to here again it's 40. And if you show the further rotation, again this side, this is 40 and this also 40, and the top face also will be having 40 mm. So this is orientation. The true orientation is this one. All its vertical rectangular faces are equally inclined to VP, and section plane cuts the top face as well as the bottom face. Again, if we check once again, apply that way, it will be like this. So this is how it cuts the solid. Now let's see how it can be drawn. First we draw the top view. In top view, all its edges have to be with an inclination 45 degrees with XY line. So it has to be tilted. So yeah, this is the position. Actually, this is base edge, again base edge, and now these two lines are drawn in a gap of 25 mm, or taking 12.5 mm to this side and 12.5 this side, so that we are getting this point, this point, this point, and this point. So now we are drawing here the true shape. This is a center line. On either side we are taking 12.5 mm, so that this gap is 25 mm. Now this is W. From here to here it is W. From here to here it is W by 2. So we have drawn from the center. This is the center line. From here it is W by 2. From here it is W by 2. So we are getting all these four lines on either side of this center line. And now further, two sides of the hexagon are 25 mm. Suppose this is 25 mm. Now let's form. If these are centered, or these are centered, you have to draw an arc of 40 mm. So that I will cut this line here and also this line here. Now from this point, you have to draw an arc 40 mm down. so that it will cut the inner line here. Also from here 40 mm arc to cut this side. Now we join these 2 points. This length will be 25 mm. From here to here it is 40 mm. Join all those points so that we are getting the toe shape of the X7. So distance between these two flags from here to here can be found out. That will be required when you draw the frame. Now suppose that this is the bottom edge, bottom face being cut, and this is the top face being cut. This is the top face being cut. Now the height of the square prism is not given, so that has to be found out. So the top face will be coming, the top cut will be coming over this edge, this not this edge, or on this line. Now we are cutting from the bottom cut line to top cut surface. So that is equal to this length. This arc length is taken from the toe shape. Distance between these two 25 edges is the toe length. So using that arc we are cutting here, and there we are completing the rectangle. Now this cutting plane has been enlarged, lengthened, extended to get the cutting plane designation. Now to get the true shape, again if you want to draw the true shape, you will have to draw from this point, and this point. Perpendicular to this line, you will be drawing projections. So we are getting a true shape here again. So this is the CAD drawing. When we draw the perpendicular from here, we will draw a perpendicular, then we will draw the axis. That axis is similar to this axis. Nothing but this axis is set. So how we will get this point and this point? That can be taken by measuring the distance from the center line to the axis to this point. That has to be taken to this side and this side, so that we are getting this point and this point. Now how do we get this point and this point? For that we have to measure the distance between this point and this point. This distance is taken from the center line of this X7 on either side. Now how will you get this point and this point? For that one you have to take this distance from the axis on either side. Join all those points and get the conclusion. So this is the solution of the problem.